Hi guys, it's Tony Walls from the Connecticut New Albany, and today in this introduction we're going to show you how to make a fist. Okay, now creating a proper fist really helps you out when you're punching or striking with the hand any kind of way, whether it be a straight punch or a back fist, hammer fist. Okay, your hands should be properly closed when you're making that fist. Okay, and a lot of people are having that issue. Today we're going to show you exactly how to do that. Okay guys, so this is what you do. You roll your finger down nice and tight. Stick your thumb underneath. I'll show you it again. Roll your fingers down nice and tight. Tight, tight, tight. Stick thumb underneath. When your arm is straight, make sure that your wrist stays straight. Alright guys, so when you're punching with your hands, okay, and you're doing a straight punch, always make sure that, of course, good guard, hands over your head. Second, make sure your wrist is nice and straight, because you don't want your wrist to be bent, okay? If your wrist is bent and you're trying to punch, what you do is bend your wrist and really hurt. Even if you think you got it like this, sometimes it'll bend down and then still make it hurt. You really can sprain your wrist, okay? It really hurt your wrist, so don't do that, okay? So when you punch it, make sure your wrist is always perfect straight and a good guard. And when you throw a straight hand punch, make sure you're landing the two biggest knuckles, okay? The two biggest knuckles here is what you're trying to land with. Boom. You do your backhand, you do the same way, punch it straight out, hit it with the two biggest knuckles, okay? And pull it back. All right, now what about a back fist, okay? Back fist works the same way. The back fist, you don't hit with the back of the hand, hit it with the two biggest knuckles as well on the back fist. So on the back fist, when you're going downward, hit just like this, or a sideways swing and twist into the strike, okay? One more time, down like this, and you twist out like this to a back fist, okay? Hit it with only the two big knuckles, not the back of your hand, okay?